catch them first.
Out in front of me, you twat.
His very first priority is going to be to shut down the legal system because he is in terrible legal jeopardy. Right now there are 4 cases, 2 federal, 2 state, that would threaten him with criminal jeopardy. Plus he has against many civil jeopardies.
Your family. It was lovely to see you again, and actually it was really nice. Hell. And actually it was really. You idiot! You absolute moron!
Well done, you absolute numpty.
Watch him.
Who's been a bad lad? Oh dear.
Oh dear.
No, the other police has just gone off the roundabout.
Oh, it's this numpty here. And this numpty here wanting to get in there, wanting to push in. And 3 numpties in one clip.
What a twat.
Fucking hell.
What a twat.
He's driving on the hard shoulder, he is.
Someone used their brain cells.
you naughty, Mr. Policeman.
Going this way home. Whoa, you weren't going to stop, were you? You didn't even slow down.
Well, no, he didn't. Oh god, are the EVs? Nice indication, dude. Oh, even Mr. Uber can indicate, but Mr. Audi can't. Who'd have thought it?
You know that that's good for not only individuals but people who want to see their doctor.
Don't bother with indicators, mate. Don't bother.
Workforce. We knew we needed to.
She was keeping your washer fluids low as well.
Yeah, this guy doesn't indicate.
I was going to say
apparently.
that would have been helpful to have an indicator, but you know.
Who needs indicators? Not lighting consultants, UK. No indication required. So I need to make an appointment to discuss their lighting and illumination of their driving. Oh, it does work! Bloody hell! We'll cancel that service call then.
Yeah.
Cars take the second exit onto Terminus Road.
Nice SL. Tell you what, not Come on, Andrew P. They're in the car.
Bit bumped into us, Andrew, too.